Hi there, this is Sean McCormick from Crestron here at TD SYNNEX's InVision. What we're showing today is Crestron's AirMedia product. This is a wireless presenter, wireless conferencing device, and digital signage all in one box. We've had the Connect adapter out with that for the past couple of years, and it is just a USB-C connection, simple to use, nothing to understand, no drivers. Your laptop will see this as a display attached to your laptop, and then we're out and we're presenting. The new thing that we've got is the Connect endpoint, which is this larger box. We jokingly refer to it as a wired wireless connection. And what it allows us to do is deal with those situations where we need a wired connection, an HDMI or USB-C, at a place where we can't get a cable. So something like a lectern, or a situation where there's a room with no conduit. And that way they can plug in wired and continue to present wirelessly. So the communication path here is still wireless. And that fills in all of those gaps. The other thing that we can do in conjunction with this is put in a 100-watt power injector. So if you're running to the meeting late, your laptop is nearly dead, this isn't going to help you present because your laptop's going to die. So instead, we'll plug into the box and charge our laptop while presenting through the wired connection.